welcome back to my channel Tech Guru. In this video, I'll let you talk about the specifications and the release date about the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes friends, finally the Realme GT Neo 2 is getting launched very soon, and in this video I'll tell you to cover all the specifications, whatever we know about this device at this moment. And this is a request which has been asked by a few of my subscribers, asking me to make a video dedicated for this specification list as well. So first thing is that we're getting the new color variant as well in this phone, which is black mint. As you can see, this is a new variant. So with the previous GT model, we did see yellow and black color. Now we are seeing the green and black kind of color. As you can see, this is the one thing we should know about the Realme GT Neo 2. Next, the main key highlight point for the Realme GT Neo 2 is the battery. Yes, the battery has been increased to 5000 mAh of battery, friends. Finally we are seeing some kind of change in the Realme phones. So it's been a very long time using the 4000 mAh of battery and combination of having 65 watts and 50 watts. So it's been very long, and finally we got the upgraded 5000 mAh of battery we're going to see, and 65 watts charging. So you may think it will charge very slow, but no, there is no slow charging involved at this moment. This 5000 mAh of battery using 65 watts charger, it can actually charge within 36 minutes. If you do the translation from Chinese to English, you can actually get this information. 36 minutes charges to 100% of the capacity. That's really good to see this kind of fast charging technology in this Realme GT Neo 2 device. So I do have the POCO X8 GT, which has got 67 watts charging with the same 5000 mAh of battery. The phone used to take kind of close to 43 minutes and 42 minutes of time. So there's a kind of little bit difference, but not a huge difference. So next, the phone Realme GT Neo 2 will be coming with a Snapdragon 870 chipset processor, which we do already know. Snapdragon 870. I think I'm using the Snapdragon 870 in quite a few phones. Right now I do have the iQOO 7 and the MI Linux device, which they did have the Snapdragon 870, and previously I did use the OnePlus 9R as well. Overall, in my experience, the Snapdragon 870 is really good in terms of the power efficiency, and even the battery will not get drained much, and temperatures also will be maintaining very low when compared with the Snapdragon 888 processor. This is a kind of really good combination, friends. And finally, I think the price, if this phone releases anywhere between close to 30,000, that would be really great. 30, maybe 29,999, somewhere around that. That will be biggest hit. But we do know about the Realme, they'll be definitely charging this phone, I think close to 33,000 or maybe 32,999, somewhere around that, keeping that price kind of close to again iQOO 7 and the Realme GT Neo 2. That's a kind of another thing which a lot of users need to decide which phone to buy as well. But the display this time has been increased to 6.62 inches as well. The display also got increased with a 120 Hz refresh rate of Super AMOLED panel, which we did see before as well. Nothing much major changed. And the cameras, again, we do have the 64 megapixel camera only on the back side. So this backside design has been changed a little bit. This friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries on this Realme GT Neo 2, let me know in the comment section below. But my guess, if the phone gets launched anywhere between close to 29,999, 30,000, that will be a very good deal for this phone. But if the phone comes close to anywhere 33,000 or 32,999, somewhere in that, then we do have other options as well. And very soon we'll be getting launched either iQOO 8 series as well. So it's a kind of real tough competition. But let's see. I'm not sure when this phone will get launched in India as well. It may take some time, but so that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.